So welcome back to Driven 276, guys. Today we'll be covering a chassis cleaning kit that I bought from Big Truck Off-Road. Not sponsored, just bought it because I felt like, having some mud and salt from the previous winter. And I've only had the truck a year, but it's good to go ahead and prevent any type of salt or mud buildup if you can, because that prevents frame rust. You'll see a lot of times driving around, especially in the northern states, a lot of trucks and Jeeps and just anything that goes off-roading or just in salt in general, a lot of your frame and just metal components will be rusted. Well, this should help alleviate some of that. Maybe not all of it, but at least if you do it once, twice a year, it will make a big difference. Again, not sponsored by this company whatsoever. They're about $45, $50. I'll walk you through how to put it together because it comes completely disassembled. It's pretty simple. And then we'll use it. I've done the one side already. Quite a bit came out. I was really surprised. So if you haven't bought one of these yet, or if you haven't tried it, it does work for the Colorado. There's quite a few little holes on the frame you can attach this to. It's magnetic. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you how to do it and show you what comes out. So this is the magnetic part that actually goes into the frame right here. So you put that in the frame. This is your soap dispenser. Again, I just put some Armor All soap in there. It all attaches you can attach to your normal hose. You don't have to have a pressure washer, which I thought was really nice because a lot of the other brands I think actually require pressure washer connectors. So this is actually really nice. It does have an on and off for the hose connection itself. Let me try to set you down here and I'll show you how you connect it really quick. So I hope you can see. I got the hose off so we can disconnect this part at least. So right here, as you can see, it's fully disconnectable from the actual cleaner itself. And these connectors right here, I'll go ahead and disconnect it and show you how it works. It is actually just a screw on. See if you can see what I'm doing. And the hose just pulls right out. So you got to put it in and then screw it down or tighten it. And that will keep it from coming out. And it's like that also on this one as well. It has a connector just the same. So make sure you tighten it down or you'll have it come loose. This connection is a brass connection and it just pops out. I think I can get it loose here for you. And if not, okay, there we go. And it pops back in and clicks. So let's get this connected. Let's get the frame washed out and I'll show you what comes out. See where it's at, I hope. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna turn this on or turn this to the on position and this to the on position. And we should have soap and water come out at the same time. But I want to set you back so you can see the water come out and see how dirty it is. And it is pretty dirty. We'll let it run there for a minute with the soap on, and then we'll turn the soap off and let just water run through it. Get all that soap out. And that's all there is to it. We're done. And then all you have to do, try to get out of the water, stay out of the water, is just take it down. That's all. So it's very simple to use. Couple minutes on both sides really, and it will help prevent rust in the future for you in your frames. Again, $40, $50, bought online, took about 2 or 3 days to come in. Use a regular water hose, so pick your one up. Again, it doesn't hurt. Until next time.